Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Here I am with my new recipe, and that recipe is Spanish dessert which is called as tres leche cake. Tres leche means tres refers to 3 and le refers to milk. Tres leche cake is also called as milk cake because it consists of 3 main milk, which is normal milk, half and half, and condensed milk. It's very rich to eat and it's very yummy to eat. So without wasting your time, let's get started. For the sponge of tres leche or milk cake, we'll need 1.5 cup of refined flour, that is maida, half cup of sugar, half cup of oil, you can replace it with butter, 1 spoon vanilla extract, 1.5 spoon of vinegar, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and milk. Tres leche means 3 types of milk. The milk which we will be needing in this milk cake are normal milk. This is homemade half and half. The recipe of half and half is given in description. And third is condensed milk. So let's start making a sponge. We'll start with sponge first. First we will be starting with mixing of milk and vinegar. Here I have taken half cup of milk, in which I am adding 1.5 spoon of vinegar. You can also use juice of half lemon. We will just stir this and keep it aside. Now we will sift our dry ingredients. First I am taking refined flour, baking powder, and baking soda. I have taken half cup of sugar, half cup of oil, now I'm just gonna add this curdled milk in it. With the help of whisk, just mix all ingredients. Now I'm just adding some more milk to form the cake consistency. Slowly and gradually add the milk as per the consistency of the cake. Once all the ingredients are mixed well, at last add vanilla extract. You can also use vanilla essence or emulsion. Don't overmix it. Now in a greased tin, just add this batter. After tapping, bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. We'll just mix all 3 types of milk. I have taken half cup of normal milk, half cup of half and half cup of condensed milk. This cake is so rich in flavor, it's just yummiest. Once it's mixed, just keep it aside. Once it's baked, use it from its edges. And remove it. Remove this parchment paper or butter paper you have used. Now just put this back in a tin. Now trim this from top. With the help of toothpick or with the help of fork, just make holes in a cake. Once it's done, start pouring the mixture of milk. Once it's done, cover it with a foil paper. After covering it with the foil paper, just keep this in the fridge for approximate 1 hour. I kept this cake in the fridge for 1.5 hours. Now I transfer this cake from a tin to a plate. Now I'm just gonna apply whipped cream on it. And level it properly. At last, garnish it with your favorite nuts. Here I am adding almonds. You can also add pistachio, cashew nuts, and any nuts of your choice. Cut off the edges and level the cake. This is optional. If you want to cut it, you can, and if you don't want to cut, it's absolutely optional. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you really did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you tried this recipe, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. Stay tuned for more yummy videos. Bye bye.